Every great mind starts with curiosity. Test yours with this general knowledge quiz and discover how much you really know. You have 10 seconds in each question. Good luck.
Question 1. What is the capital of France? Time's up. The correct answer is Paris. Question 2. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Time's up. The correct answer is Mars. Question 3. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Time's up. The correct answer is Shakespeare. Question 4. What is the chemical symbol for water? Time's up. The correct answer is H2O. Question 5. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Time's up. The correct answer is Africa. Question 6. How many continents are there on Earth? Time's up. The correct answer is 7. Question 7. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Time's up. The correct answer is lion. Question 8. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Time's up. The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 9. Which country invented paper? Time's up. The correct answer is China. Question 10. What is the hardest natural substance? Time's up. The correct answer is diamond. Question 11. What is the capital of Japan? Time's up. The correct answer is Tokyo. Question 12. How many bones are there in the adult human body? Time's up. The correct answer is 200 and question 13. Which ocean is the largest? Time's up. The correct answer is Pacific. Question 14. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Time's up. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question 15. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Time's up. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question 16. What is the smallest country in the world? Time's up. The correct answer is Vatican City. Question 17. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Time's up. The correct answer is Mercury. Question 18. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Time's up. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Question 19. What is the largest mammal? Time's up. The correct answer is blue whale. Question 20. Which language has the most native speakers? Time's up. The correct answer is Mandarin Chinese. Question 21. What is the capital of Australia? Time's up. The correct answer is Canberra. Question 22. How many days are there in a leap year? Time's up. The correct answer is 300. Question 23. Which element has the symbol Fe? Time's up. The correct answer is iron. Question 24. In which year did World War II end? Time's up. The correct answer is 1940. Question 25. What is the largest bird in the world? Time's up. The correct answer is ostrich. Question 26. What is the main gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Time's up. The correct answer is nitrogen. Question 27. How many planets are in our solar system? Time's up. The correct answer is 8. Question 28. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Time's up. The correct answer is mercury. Question 29. What is the capital of Canada? Time's up. The correct answer is Ottawa. Question 30. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Time's up. The correct answer is France. Question 31. Which is the longest river in the world? Time's up. The correct answer is Nile. Question 32. How many teeth does a normal adult human have? Time's up. The correct answer is 32. Question 33. Who discovered gravity? Time's up. The correct answer is Isaac Newton. Question 34. What is the capital of Germany? Time's up. The correct answer is Berlin. Question 35. Which planet is famous for its rings? Time's up. The correct answer is Saturn. Question 36. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Time's up. The correct answer is O negative. Question 37. What is the square root of 64? Time's up. The correct answer is 8. Question 38. How many colors are in a rainbow? Time's up. The correct answer is 7. Question 39. Which instrument measures temperature? Time's up. The correct answer is thermometer. Question 40. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? Time's up. The correct answer is Indian. Question 41. Which animal is known for changing its color? Time's up. The correct answer is chameleon. Question 42. Which country has the Great Wall? Time's up. The correct answer is China. Question 43. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Time's up. The correct answer is 100 C. Question 44. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Time's up. The correct answer is Africa. Question 45. Who is known as the father of computers?
Time's up. How many questions did you get right? Please let us know by like and commenting. Thanks.